Greetings traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des here at Grok Trade on Thursday, December 29, 2011. Today did what was expected. We did have a nice rally today. Dow up 135 points, up 1.12%. The S&P up 1%, almost 1% on the NASDAQ to the positive side. Russell's up 1.33%. Banks did exceptionally well, leading the broad markets very nicely, up 1.75%. VIX down 3.7%, confirming today's rally. Gold down 0.5%, but silver up a whopping 3%. Crude oil in positive territory, but the US dollar stayed fairly strong all day long, but then closed in bearish territory, helping the markets continue to the bull side. Very low reading here on the trend at 0.33. So something to be keeping a watch on. So it wouldn't surprise me if tomorrow actually we go bearish again. But that would actually be a bullish move because we'll be building that base that we desperately need for us to launch from. So let's talk about this. A lot of people were thinking that the sky was falling yesterday, that the market was going to crash and burn. And I built a huge argument yesterday on why to expect a rally today. And a lot of people are a little surprised by today's rally after yesterday's movement. But the more advanced you get in technical analysis and the closer you stay with us here, the more you will start to understand what the markets are doing. Because the markets are 70-80% of the moves of all the stocks out there. So if you get to know these market moves and you start to understand the technicals on the broad markets themselves, then you can start stacking the odds in your favor when you're trading equities or stocks out there. So it's very important. So yesterday would have been a great opportunity for people to panic, start selling, even going short, and have that blow up in your face today. Now, let's talk about this. We had a 5-session rally, big up, boom, continue higher, breaking a major resistance line, boom, to the 200-day moving average. We doji out, a great chance of reversal taking place. Sure enough, big drop, boom, to the downside. What was acting as resistance now is acting as support. And it happened on a little mini-me volume, no confirmation of any significant drop with an extremely high trend reading. Just there's a lot of things taking place here that says there's a good chance of a bounce taking place. And sure enough, that's what we get. We opened up the day, started going higher, and remained going higher. Chopped around here at the 200-day moving edge for a long time, but then we blasted through that, closing near the day's high, almost taking back everything that we lost yesterday. Now, this week is pretty low on volume, and I'm going to show you this. I'm going to go here to the spiders. And looking at the volume on the spiders, I know there's a lot of lines here because I use the 60-minute chart on my morning videos. So if you're a day trader, come pre-market, watch the videos, and I'll be talking to you about certain levels. But anyway, if you look down here, we have the same volume that we had yesterday. So yesterday's drop, looks like we had a lot of volume here, but that's relative just to the last couple days. But look back here, this is normal volume, very low volume. Today is considered very low volume, but let me bring in smart money, and smart money is in the futures. So we have futures talking here, and this is the ES, or the E-mini future on the S&P 500. Smart money. So yesterday, mini-me, nothing volume. I mean small volume. Today we double the volume from the sell-off yesterday on today's up move. That is powerful, but there again, relatively speaking, very low volume is because of the season that we're in. But I do like the fact that yesterday's down move and today's up move, that the volume doubled that on the sell side, which on the bull side here, and which is really nice to see. Now, Technically speaking, anytime you're trading, you have an equal amount of buyers and sellers in the markets and equities. So with this, it just shows the worth of a move, how worthy or how much interest or how much participation is taking place to the upside versus that to the downside. That's your measurement here. All right, did we close above the 200-day moving average? We sure did. Are we still below the resistance line here on the futures? The answer is yes. The question is what are we going to do here? Tomorrow, the 30th, is the last day of 2011, last trading day. So it'll be interesting to see how the markets will close themselves ending out the year. So it'll be something to be paying attention to. You will want to stay quite close to us and what we're doing here in the charts. And sorry for anybody that wasn't able to get into the chat room today. Fantastic time. The doors were open, and first come, first serve. Got to be the first 150 that walk in the doors. The most active time in the chat room is 9 a.m. Eastern till about noon Eastern Standard Time. Those 3 hours, we are very busy in the chat rooms, and we'll keep you abreast to the very latest. All right, well, share us with a friend, and leave a comment down there below. And even you guys in YouTube, feel free to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. But those people on my website, we'll see, we have Spanish analyst coming on. Watch his video. It's been posted, but if you want a real treat, watch the stock videos, trading videos from Mark, the Meerkat Safran. His videos are tremendous. He's actually showing his trades that he's in throughout the day, so you don't want to miss his videos. Get those at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. My name's Des, Senior Analyst, and your future mentor. Take care and very safe trading.